Welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is the formula for number series in Google Sheets. We will create different types of number series like simple number series, even number series, odd number series in a matrix form, etc. by using a formula. Let's get started. First of all, let's see creating a simple number series. For example, if you have to create a serial number from 1 to 500, use this formula. Equals sequence, open bracket. In the rows parameter, put 500, close bracket and hit enter. The number series of 1 to 500 is created. To create a number series in the row, use formula like this. To create number series in a matrix form, use formula like this. To create even number series, use formula like this. To create odd number series, use formula like this. So, that was all about the formula for creating number series in Google Sheets. If you like this video, please give it a like by hitting on that like button. Also subscribe the channel to learn more on spreadsheets. Thank you so much for watching.